happy kiddos!
Today we are going to learn something very fun and useful called prepositions. Prepositions are special words that help us understand where something is or where something happens. The ball is in the box. The ball is inside the box. The book is on the table. It is sitting on top of the table. The puppy is under the table. It is below the table. The ball is between the blocks. It is in the middle of two things. The ball is near the tree. It is close to the tree. The teddy bear is next to its friend. They are side by side. The car is in front of the house. It is before the house. The cat is behind the sofa. It is at the back. The sun is above the house. It is up in the sky. The fish is below the water. It is under the surface. The kitten is inside the basket. It is in the basket. The boy is outside the house. He is not inside. The butterfly is flying around the flower. It is going in a circle. The girl is walking across the bridge. She is going from one side to the other. The train is going through the tunnel. It is moving inside and coming out. The bag is beside the desk. It is right next to the desk. The bird is flying over the tree. It is above and moving across the tree. The ball is going into the box. It is moving from outside to inside. The puppy is jumping out of the basket. It is coming from inside to outside. The girl is walking along the path. I'm moving beside the path. The tree is far from the house. It is not close. The ball is close to the box. It is very near. The balloon is going up. It is moving higher and higher. The boy is going back to his house. He is returning. The ball is falling down. It is moving to a lower place. The submarine is deep below the water. It is far under the surface. The red ball is among the other balls. It is in the middle of many things. The bicycle is against the wall. It is touching the wall. The kite is flying high above the house. It is very high in the sky. The boy is walking to the school. He is going in that direction. The girl is walking from the house. She is coming away from it. The puppy is running toward the girl. It is moving in her direction. The cat is running away from the dog. It is moving far from it. The cat is sitting by the window. It is near the window. The boy is running around the tree. He is moving in a circle. The stars are throughout the sky. They are everywhere in the sky.
The girl is walking alongside her friend. They are side by side together.
The treasure is beneath the sand. It is under the sand. The mountains are beyond the river. They are far on the other side. The gem is within the box. It is inside the box.
Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.